Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Khamruddin and you're watching Prince Technology. I am back with a new project called as Image Processing Based Surveillance Robot. It is a combination of both software plus hardware. So watch till the end because here I am explaining about software part as well as the hardware part. So without wasting a time, let's start. Now let's talk about why we developed this project. We know that in border areas there is a high risk for soldiers for patrolling. Hence we developed this project. It has a capability of replacing soldier across the border areas. Since we are using this robot for patrolling purpose across the border, hence we place the robot near the border by making the face of camera towards other country so it can detect the enemy or soldiers or anybody whoever comes from that side, so it can inform to the control unit. And here we are using night vision camera to detect the enemy in daytime as well as in the night time also. Now let's talk about the software part of our project, which is nothing but how we have trained our robot. Here we have captured number of images of a person in different angles and we have stored number of data sets from Google as well. Then we have used different machine learning tools to detect whether the captured image is containing human being or not. If the captured image is containing human being, then it will inform the control unit, otherwise not. Here, this is our model called as image processing based surveillance robot. Let's see the main components of our project. Here we are using Raspberry Pi 4 to control the whole operation, which has 4 GB RAM and inbuilt Wi-Fi module with Type-C port. And here we are using night vision camera to capture the images in daytime as well as in the nighttime also with 5 megapixel clarity. And here we are using driver IC to control the all motors, and we are using two types of power supply. One is for Raspberry Pi 4 and another to drive the all motors. When a person comes in front of the camera, then it captures the image and identifies whether the captured image is containing human being or not. If the captured image is containing an human being, then it sends a mail to the control unit and a notification. Here we are using an blink app to control our module. Here it is showing surveillance robot and it is online. So hence we can now control our module through the internet. Here let's see the quick demonstration of this. This is the forward direction, this is the backward direction, and here is the right and here is the left. So like this we can control our module through the internet. Now we have placed a person in front of our module and it has captured the image and identifying whether the captured image is containing human being or not. If the captured image is containing human being, then it will send the notification and a mail to the receiver. This is the mail ID of receiver part, which is nothing but the control unit. Here we have got some mails from the module. Here it is showing person is found and it has been sent the picture of that person also. Let's see the other images also. Here you can observe that by seeing the legs of the person, it has been identified that this is human being, which shows our robot is highly accurate. This is all about my new project called as Image Processing Based Surveillance Robot. Hope you all enjoyed. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.